All right, I think it's April 6th. You're looking down from a couple thousand feet up. We are at the Mcafee Knob Trail outside of Roanoke, Virginia, Salem, I believe. But this is just the beginning of what you're going to see today when the clouds burn off. Peace. All right, still on the Appalachian Trail. This is the Catawba Mountain Shelter. It appears to hold 6 or 8 people. We're not staying here tonight. Nicole's down there using the privy. There's a bear box, and there is a elevation there. It's 2460. I think that's a little generous number. Spring water's down the hill. I still have a bottle and a half. I'm gonna stretch that out. I think we got 1.7 miles to the top. And the most photographed place on the entire Appalachian Trail. Peace out. All right, I gather we're about 5 minutes from the top. These are some rock formations on the trail. My lovely bride. Big rock formations. A lot of people. We've had to see 100 people already today. We'll be back in about 5 minutes with a ton of people. Mcafee Knob. Mcafee Knob. Here it is. We met a nice couple, older couple, ridge runners. They go up and down the trail, and they got sections of the trail that they clean. Unfortunately, I have to pick up trash. There's a lot of people here today to get 90,000 people a year up here, 3,200 feet elevation. It's beautiful. The sun came out for us. Let's get closer.
Not gonna take a shot right through there, but it's all right.
Lots of people up here. We made up here in just under 3 hours, I think. Wonderful. Look at this.
All right. Okay, check them out.
All right.
So what did you teach?
I taught them.
Oh, you mean so Aaron can meet us there, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotcha.
So,
Fill her
The
up.
views.
And then if you want, you can
Ballast Point has good meals. They have a lot of salads.
Mcafee Knob, Virginia. And the view.
I've had sour beer.
Yeah. All right, ascending down from Mcafee Knob. Some pretty big rock formations here. Yeah, the trail goes down through it. It's like a little maze of rocks. We're deep down in here. Beautiful rocks. Look at that. Very cool formations. We are headed to our camp spot for the night. Look at that crevice. Crevasse. You walk right in there. All right. On our way down Mcafee Knob. Just want to show you the field. It's kind of a overcast day. There's a house down there with probably 100 acres of land each. Who knows? But we're on our way down and got a view off to the right. I think that's the view you had looking down from the knob. It's pretty. Virginia for lovers.